my name is Hart Haymaker, and I will be performing lab experiment number 4. Lab experiment number 4 deals with the properties of gases. Some of the materials that I've been working with in this experiment are kitchen vinegar, distilled water, hydrogen peroxide, hydrochloric acid, lime water. I've also got some manganese, mossy zinc, Alka-Seltzer tablets. I've been using some strike anywhere matches for flame. I've got my copper and plastic gas tube with stopper. Been using a funnel, my test tubes, my test tube holder, pipette for putting vinegar into the test tubes, and then I've also got a substance called bromothol blue. Now to start out with, I will be filling up a pipette with vinegar. I've got the vinegar in this tablespoon here. And just slowly filling that up so I can get as much of the vinegar into the pipette as possible. Alright. Excellent. Now that I've got my pipette with vinegar, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take half a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to add a funnel to one of my test tubes. I'm going to go ahead and put this baking soda in here. It looks like a little bit of water from when I cleaned it. Alright. Baking soda in. And what I got to do now is just kind of tap it on in there. Alright. And for experimental purposes, I'm going to fill a second one with baking soda as well. That way, just in case I have more substance for the reaction. Alright. Baking soda in test tube number 2. And I'll just sit there and work that in there as well. Alright, excellent. So now I have 2 test tubes with half a teaspoon of baking soda. And what I'm going to do to the first is I'm going to add half a pipette of the household vinegar and wait for a reaction. I'll just hold that out so you can see it. And as expected, there was a reaction. Lots of bubbling. Excellent. And that's quite a reaction. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to set that to the side. I'm going to put my little stopper on it. And I'm going to put half a milliliter of my bromothol into my stand here, and I'm going to let this gas seep into it, and I'm going to wait for a reaction. Now, right off the bat I see some bubbling, so I know the gas is coming through. Just kind of stir it around in there. I'm seeing a slight color change from blue to a yellowish clear liquid. So we definitely saw a physical change there, or a color change. Excellent. Take the stopper off. Now the second part of this is to ignite the baking soda and vinegar. So what I want to do is I want to create another reaction with the fresh tube. That way I know that no gas has been lost. And I'll redo that reaction. Alright. I'm going to put a stopper on it. I'm going to set it back into its stand. I'll light up a few matches. That's fun. Alright. And let me see if I can get a reaction. No real reaction recorded. It extinguished the flames. And that is where I'll leave you today with lab experiment number 4, property of gases. Have a good day.